What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Evelyn Chanel here, and of course I am back with another video. So today is gonna be a little different video. I'm not gonna be showing y'all this makeup look, not yet anyway, because y'all definitely deserve to see this look. It's so bomb. It's love it. But today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I reinstall my wigs, and yeah, I didn't style it in this video, but I did show y'all how I installed them. I hope y'all enjoy it. Let me let y'all know too, just like a little brief disclosure, okay? So I did go to hair school or whatever, but I didn't know how to install no wigs, because they ain't teach us that, okay? They ain't teach us that at all. I pretty much learned that from watching other people. So this is just me solely showing you how I do it my way. I'm not saying it's the right way. I'm not saying it's the wrong way. I'm saying that this is how I install my wigs, okay? Okay. But if you end up enjoying this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the Bob, okay? And that's just that on that. So that's that for the intro. Let's get into the video. Okay. So I know I look crazy, y'all. Don't talk about me. Don't talk about me, okay? But I'm gonna show y'all everything that you need, okay? Or everything that I use to install my wigs. And of course, I'm gonna start with my ball cap. So you need a stocking cap. You need your wig, of course, if you don't have one. That's mine, long and black. I use some Eco Styler to slick my little edges back, so that's why it looks a little crazy too. I got some heat protectants. You need your glue. This one is the Ghost Bond. I couldn't get the other one, so this is the one I could get at the time, because I think the other one was sold out. And then I got some more heat protectant, which is the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I really like this one. You're gonna need a hot comb, which that you're gonna need a flat iron. That one I got from Paul Mitchell from when I was in school there, and also a blow dryer, which is also one from school, and then a Velcro, a little Velcro strap, edge brush, eyebrow cutting tool, rat tail comb. I like to use the metal one, and then some clips. That's it. Oh, and a powder brush. And then also makeup of your choice. I think today I'm gonna try this Morphe bronzer to see how that works. So I know that was a lot, but that's all that y'all need, okay? Okay, so let's get started with the cap. And I'm gonna start off by applying my layers of glue. I'm gonna do 2 layers of the Ghost Bond. I'm gonna do one, let it dry, and then I'm gonna do a second one, let that one dry, and then I'm gonna put on my cap. about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me to. And now it's me and you. Love you all the way down. Get you right where you like it. I promise you like it. I swear you promise to relax and let me some secret way between me. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to wipe the excess glue off of my forehead, and I got a little bottle of alcohol. I don't think I told y'all, but y'all gonna need some alcohol too. So get your alcohol, girl, because you're gonna need it. And I'm just gonna wipe this alcohol off the side of my face, along that perimeter. And I will say, y'all, sometimes, you know, if you cut yourself and you put the alcohol on there, it's gonna burn. Just so you know. But yeah. This time I don't think I cut myself, which is good. But yeah, just wipe the excess alcohol. I mean the excess. Whoo! I think I cut myself a little bit right there, cause baby, it's stung a little bit. But yeah, y'all see that? Just like that. Okay. And then next, I'm gonna apply my Morphe with that makeup brush, right? So I'm just gonna apply a little to the outside, my little cap, and then I'm gonna go in with another layer of glue. Well, actually 2 more layers of glue, and then I'm gonna put my wig on. him take his band off. Woo! Look at that. Whoa. Lay down. They're gonna look a little like this. It's okay. It's okay. As long as the wig is laid down. Okay. So I'm gonna style it off camera because I don't know exactly how I want to style it yet, but I'm gonna come back, do my makeup, and I'm gonna come back, and then yeah, it's gonna be that for the video. Bye. Alright, y'all. Let me stop. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So this is what I decided to do with my hair, and I feel like it's cute. It is so cute. I was trying something different. Here's the bantu knots up top, okay? So, of course, that's that for the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give your girls, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to the vibe, and leave a comment. Also, y'all, I'm so excited to show y'all this look because this is, this makeup look is giving. It's very much giving, just giving. Period. So yes, that's that for the video. Thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all stay safe. Love y'all. Bye.